In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from your Trust Wallet to PayPal. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are on Trust Wallet. Now, what you're going to want to do is actually come across to a website. So you just want to go ahead and open up a new browser. And you want to come across to this website here, which is boomchange.com. So once you're on this website, you can see you can send USDT and exchange that for PayPal. So what you want to do in the top box is make sure you got USDT. Underneath you want to select PayPal and then choose the amount you want to withdraw. So say for example I put 20. You can see we're going to get 19 transferred to PayPal. So once that's done, go ahead and click exchange underneath. And then what you want to do is enter your details here. So your PayPal email address and the recipient wallet address, and then click continue. So once you've gone ahead and put those details in and you've pressed continue, it's going to give you a summary of the exchange. And then all you want to do is go back to your Trust Wallet to deposit the funds into Boom. And once that's been deposited into BoomChange, what you can do, there'll be a box you'll need to tick. Do say I have paid. Once you've gone ahead and done that, that's going to go ahead and convert that into your PayPal. So that's how to go ahead and withdraw funds from your Trust Wallet to PayPal. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today. If it did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.